Hi everybody, Christian Cantrell here with some very good news. Version 0.5 of the Stable Diffusion Photoshop plugin brings the number one most requested feature, which is local inference. Local inference refers to the ability to generate images on your local machine, in addition to using the Stable Diffusion API, but there are some trade-offs. First, you'll need a Windows or Linux computer with a powerful NVIDIA GPU or an M1 Mac. You'll need to install the Stable Diffusion REST API server, and you're better off running the server on a dedicated machine if possible, so other apps aren't competing for GPU resources. Additionally, local inference only supports text to image to image using the document contents, and image to image using a layer. I've disabled inpainting for local inference because the model I'm using isn't nearly as good as the Stable Diffusion API, but it's going to get better, so I will enable local masking in future releases. That's it for this version. Everything you need to get started is linked in the description. Thanks for watching.